Now we can finalize the housing. We need a total of 14 cubic meters x 20 screws. We attach the top strut, the center strut, the base plate and finally the base strut one after the other. Then we prepare the front panel. We press in a 22 mm bearing for this. Before we fit the front panel, we need the guide rail. We first insert it through the slide bearings of the rider. It is pressed into the bushing of the main plate until it ends at the same level as the helix shaft at the front. Then we carefully slide the front plate onto the shaft and press the guide rail into the front plate socket as well. Finally, the plate is secured with 7 screws. Now the winder is almost ready for use.